Hello everyone, my name is Yash from Diligence certification. Today we are talking about shop and establishment registration. One of the most important registration to run any business in India. Whether you run shop, office, restaurant or any online business with a physical location. This video will guide you through everything you need to know. What and who needs it. The Shop and Establishment Act governs working condition, establishment, employment rules, wages, holidays and employee rights in shops and commercial establishments. The Shop and Establishment Registration, also called the Shop Act license, is issued by the state government. It's legal proof that your business is officially recognized. Almost every business with a physical premise needs it, including retail shops, offices, restaurants, gyms, salons, coaching centers, theaters, even online businesses with a physical location. Without it, you could face penalties and miss out on benefits like loans, government schemes, and business growth opportunities. Benefits of registration. Here's why you should register. Legal recognition for your business helps open a current bank account, eligibility for loans and government schemes, easier expansion to new locations, build trust with customer and suppliers, ensures employee protection under labor laws. How to apply and document required. You can apply online and offline. Online process. Visit your state labor department website, file their application, upload required documents, pay the fee and download your certificate. Offline process. Fill the physical form, submit it with documents and fees to the chief inspector and receive the certificate after verification. Documents usually include shop, office address, proof, rent agreement or ownership, owner's ID and PAN card, employee details, payment receipt. Remember, you must apply within 30 days of starting your business and renew before expiry to avoid penalties. At Diligence Certification, we provide you complete guidance throughout the whole certification process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe and comment also.